How to turn off firewalls temporarily in Windows 10 is going to be the next subject. It's a continuation of how to fix network connection issues from the Microsoft support site. Again, I'll put the link that I am referring to at the top of the description of this video. And you can see it's kind of about 3/4 of the way down the page. They have a lot of different things they want you to try if you're having connection issues. So let's break down the next topic. Let's see. Let's go to temporarily turn off firewalls. They talk about firewall sometimes might prevent you from getting connected to your website or to the internet. What you can do is turn it off, and they have a basically a 4-step process here to turn it off. So let's jump right into that. Okay, so to do this, you can go to the command prompt and press or right click on command prompt and then run as administrator and then select yes. Okay, so that's not real clear. What you can do is actually go to this Windows emblem in your left-hand corner of your desktop. Right click on it, select command prompt admin, and in there you'll see that a DOS prompt will come up. If yours is smaller, you can right click at the top of the window and do properties, and you can adjust the font here. I have mine set at 20. It's a little bigger font, it makes it easier to see. And then you can also set the layout here the way that you want it. Mine's 150 by 40, but you need to adjust yours based on your own resolution on your monitor. So I'm going to shrink this window a bit so you can actually see the commands from the instructions on the page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to capture this command here and paste it into I'm going to right click and paste it into DOS. You can also simply type it. You can see here there's spaces between the different parameters that they're asking you to set. It's just going to turn the firewalls for Windows off, and I'm going to show you a little easier method to do this as well. So let's hit that, and you can see there was a prompt that came up. Windows firewall is turned off. Tap or click to turn it on, but let's leave it off for a minute. Next thing it asks us to do is to open your browser and visit a website you trust and see if you can connect to it. So let's just go to Amazon. I trust them for the most part. You can see we can connect here. So in this case, the firewall wasn't the issue, but it's always good to check. So the website comes up. If your website still isn't coming up, we need to go on to basically turn off any antivirus or malware prevention software, and we'll cover that in the next video. But let's go back here and turn this back on, and you can do that by copying this command line here. Right click, say copy, and then just right click and say paste, and then hit the enter key, and it will have turned Windows Firewall back on, and it should be displayed here in the settings. So that's where that earlier, hey, letting you know that you turned the firewall off pops up out of this notification center here. Another easy way to do this, matter of fact, it's a lot easier than this, is just go to the Cortana search here and just type in firewall. As a matter of fact, let's do that. And you just click on the firewall control panel, and you say turn on or off Windows Firewall. So you can turn it off here and do the public network settings as well. And you see we get the same pop-up in the bottom right corner. You can simply click on that and to turn it back on. But let's go ahead and do what they said again. Let's see if we can connect to a website. If you can, of course, that's the firewall might be the issue, and you would want to adjust the settings there. Normally, I find the firewall is not the issue. So let's go back and turn this back on. Just simply click on the turn Windows Firewall on or off setting, and just set it back the way it was. Turn on Windows Firewall and turn on Windows Firewall for the public network settings. Hit OK, and you should be good to go. Hope this helps, and good luck.